Hello everyone. For the SSP 6 standard, the first chapter we were talking about, that is understanding of the diversity. In that we were talking about all people are different. All people are different. They all have a different thinking power, different taste, different speaking, different religions, different culture. Okay, that they were following. Here we were talking about how to make the friends, and making the friends is easy or not. If the person is from you different, then how he or she can be your friend. So we were talking about a boy who was passing from the road, and the street light or the traffic light turns. He stopped over there. Somebody is shouting in a Hindi and English word, screaming. He was asking for a Hindi paper. So he was asking that, do you know Hindi? So he was saying that, yes, I know Hindi. Why do you asking like that? Because you look so amazed. That's why he was asking that, do you know Hindi? So he was saying that, yes, I know Hindi. It was my subject. So now he was asking that, what is subject? That day the light turns green, and he has to move. Okay, so he moved. The next day he was saying that subject is something that we are studying. Okay, now he was asking that you went school. So he was saying that I never went to school. When I was so high, I started this work. First my mother came to me with me, and she with me, and now I am alone. So he was asking that where is your mother now? So he was saying that my mother is in Meerut. Okay, my name is Samir, he said, and the another boy is saying that my name is too Samir. So he was saying that, okay, you are Samir 1 and I am Samir 2. So the next day he did not have his usual smile for me. There is trouble in Meerut, he said. He was saying that there is a trouble in Meerut. Many people are being killed there in riots. Means the people were fighting over there, and many people killed in these riots. I looked at the headlines. Okay, communal riots, it's a blazed about Samir. I am Muslim Samir. He said in answer. He was saying that I am a Muslim Samir. Okay, and all my people are in Meerut. Means all my relatives are there in Meerut only. His eyes filled with the tears, and when I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. Means he was crying. Means whatever he was saying that time, he was crying. Okay, he was not at the crossing the road day after, neither the day after nor even again. Means he was not there when the Samir Do came to that place. He was not there, even not in that day, not tomorrow, not any other day. So, and no newspaper in English or Hindi can tell me where my Samir Do has gone. While Samir Ek is more familiar with English, Samir Do speaks Hindi. Means here you can say that there are two people. One is there who belongs to Muslim community. One who belongs to Hindu community, and he went to the school. He speaks Hindi also, English also, but Samir one, he doesn't know Hindi English reading. Why? Because he didn't went to the school anyway. So here is the question given: name 3 ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do were different. Okay, did this difference prevent them from the becoming friends? So did you see this whole story? There is no foundation regarding how they are, or from where they belongs to. They become the friends. Okay, so while Samir Ek is more familiar with English, Samir Do speaks Hindi. Although they both are more at home in different languages, they still communicate with each other. Means might be they belongs to be a different religion, different speaking language, then also they were talking with each other, communicate with each other. they made the effort to do so because this was the important to them. Samir Ek and Samir Do also come from different religious and cultural backgrounds. While Samir Ek is a Hindu, Samir Do is a Muslim. Different religious and cultural backgrounds such as this are an aspect of diversity. Means this is the aspect of diversity, people coming from the different places, different cultural background, then also they become the good friends. Make a list of the festival that might have been celebrated by two boys, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Can you think a situation in which you made friends with someone who was very different from you? Write a story that describes you. In our life, it has happened like that. Our friends might be coming from the different religious backgrounds, having the different festivals, then also they are good friends. Okay, if I supposed to say a story about my friends, so I can say that my friends belongs to different communities. One of my friend was belongs to Muslim community. So when we were in the school, we celebrate each of the festival very enthusiastically. Means if her festival is there, like Idul Fitr or Eid, something like that, we went to her house. She prepared a very delicious food, sweet, which is made on this day only. That is sevilla. Uh, she offer us, we eat and we celebrate that festival. We also call her in our festival like Deepavali. Okay, many other festivals are coming up in Hindu, so we call her also in our festivals and we celebrate together. We didn't feel that we coming from the different religion, we have the different cultural values. Then also we were the good friends. Like this, you also can write a story that this can be happen or this is my story. Okay. In addition to their diverse religion and cultural background, there are other ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do are different from each other. For example, while Samir Ek goes to school, Samir Do sell newspaper. Why? Because Samir Ek belongs to a good family or stable family, while Samir Do might be a poor or he has to work for the family members. Okay. Discuss why do you think Samir Do did not attend school? Do you think he would be have been easy for him to attend school if he wanted to? In your opinion, is it fair situation that some children get to go to school and other don't? So if we discuss this topic, we can say that it's not easy for him to go to attend the school. Why? Because he is not like that. He don't want to go to school, but circumstances make this Samir Do has to sell the newspaper. Okay, why? Because might be his household condition is not like that. That his parents are afford to send him school. Okay, might be he is alone over here who is not taking care of, he has to survive himself, that's why he is selling the newspaper. So situations can be different, it is not easy to and it is not fair enough if one child is going school and one child is not. He also has a right to go to school and have the education. Okay, now Samir though did not have the opportunity to attend the school. Perhaps you have noticed that there are several people in the area where you live who poor and who don't have enough to eat and where sometimes not even a place to live. This difference is not the same as one we have seen earlier. Here we are taking not for difference but the inequality. Inequality comes about when a poor does not have the resource and opportunities that are available for the other person. Okay, here we have seen that might be he is not able to go to school because as we have read that his all the relatives are there in the merit. So he has to survive himself. He didn't get the resources or he didn't get the opportunity to go school and have the things. Okay, so this is what we have seen that people don't get the opportunity to be survived. The caste system is another example. For inequality, according to the society was divided into different groups depending upon the work people did, and they were supposed to remain in those groups. So if your parents were potters, you could only become a potter, nothing else. Means people were thinking like that. If my parents is a farmer, so we can only be a farmer. We cannot be taking another opportunity or any other work. This is the caste system, that is or a profession that they have to do for a long period of time, that they have to do like that only. This system was considered irreversible, and because you were not supposed to change your profession, it was not considered necessary to you know anything more than what you needed in your profession. This created situation of inequality. You will read more about and other inequalities also. Okay, so here means it is shown that if the person is a porter, his child can be a porter only. If a person is selling the newspaper or selling the things, he can be do that only. So it's not like that. Okay, so we have seen that Samir Ek and Do are having the different situations where the Samir Ek is a very settled, having the settled family, going to school, have the natural life. But what about Samir Do? Samir Do is a very belongs to a poor family. He has to survive himself. Okay, he didn't get the opportunity to go and attend the school. The other thing is also belongs to a caste. So caste make the people or showing the inequality where a potter become his child can be a potter only. He cannot be thinking himself the other things. Okay, so in that if they are moving to the further, they can't be learning another thing, because it is set up in their minds like if your parents are doing so, you have to do so only. You are not supposed to do any other thing. Okay, so that inequality is there in our community, that is followed by the people, that should be removed in the mind of the people. And that is also unfair, that if two childs are there, one is going school and one is not going to school, it is totally unjustified and unfair. He also have a right to get the education. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.